This is Dennis Muller with the final project demonstration for Legacy.net Desktop to ASP.NET MVC web application that I am calling SE Tools. Go ahead and get started. I'll get a two-factor authentication on my phone, and once I approve that, we'll get our menu. It's pulling these menu items based on my permissions, my SAW permissions. So we'll go right into it. We're going to use one of the accounts that I created to test with, Georgia Southern University account. And we can see that it has an active magazine subscription. And we can see that it has a code of a valid address for now. We're going to do a lot of things real quick. We're going to, first of all, combine a couple of things. We could have just changed some of these address line 1, address line 2, and just said fix account only. If we did that, we'd create a feedback. Well, actually, I'll go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so that says return mail with change of address. I'm going to actually go dark mode. We're going to go back in here. And now for this one, I'm going to do return mail. Now that will add a return mail flag. Our valid address will become RET for returned. It will add an alert to the count. It will also add this feedback of return mail no forwarding address. Update that. So we get our success message. I'll go back in and we'll do one more thing. I want to cancel that mail. Maybe the partner refused it, so we got return mail refused, or maybe the postman just returned it and said, you know, the box had been refused. So we update that. We can go over to our account and we can research it because all of that information is stored in session. So now we have returned address for this account. We have a subscription code of our status is now H instead of active. And we have 3 feedbacks, one for each of the things we did: change of address, no forwarding, and refused. All right, next application is printed response. I'm going to copy over a response ID. That is what we used to ship by. It is the smallest. It's not copying. Let's see, copy. There we go. Copying. So this one, we could do a couple of things. We could either reset this so that maybe the customer wants to cancel it. You can't cancel it if you've got it printed. So we want to, we could reset this response ID. So I'll click reset. That's the thing we most often use this for. It says it's successfully reset. If I go back in here, it will tell me shipping information is not found anymore. The packing slip and the shipping information for the packers to interface with is completely gone. 2 tables completely wiped out. Now I will go into another one very quickly. I did not get a new one. New number. Okay, there we go. And I will, let's say we want to manually pack this one. Sometimes that happens on the floor. So we can do manually pack, and then if we go back in this one, we'll see our changes, but we'll also see this response is packed and cannot be updated or reset. Once it's updated or packed or shipped, it cannot be reset. Final thing I want to show is our customer service memos. So they will get a grid of all the active customer service memos. They can select one. As they select any of these, you'll see the information change on the screen in this box. So we will click create email. We will get a graph, Microsoft Graph notification to authenticate. Once that is done, it will give me an email response panel. I can choose where I want it to go to. Since I don't want anyone else to get my mail right now, I'm going to do that. I'm going to add, this is a test, and send email. Click OK. Go to my email box, reset, and we've just got an email. This is a test, so the email was successful. This is used for inter-office communications. Thank you.